What's up everyone, Jamie Hertz here with The Good Food Chef, and we're heading down to John Ward Coffee to make a no-bake espresso cheesecake. Now the reason I love dessert recipes that are like this is because you can change the flavor profile to whatever way you want. If you don't want to use dark chocolate or espresso, which is what we're doing today, you can use white chocolate and lavender, whatever you want. Chances are it's gonna be a home run. Now it's important for you to head down to your local businesses and support them as much as possible. It's those small businesses that give our communities the culture that we all fell in love with. And if you're lucky enough to be in the Nelson area, they will have these cheesecakes for sale for a limited time, so make sure you get down there and you might have the chance to sink your teeth into one of these. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and of course share and like the video. I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef. Cheesecake, let's get this.
Don't you look at me like that. How could you look at me like that? 'Cause I know you don't really mean it. Don't you touch me like that. How could you touch me like that? You know I'm gonna feel it. I don't want nobody's body line next to my body. Let's set your body line next to mine. I don't want nobody's body line next to my body. Let's set your body line next to mine. Don't you kiss me like that. How could you kiss me like that? You know I'm gonna feel it. How could you love me like that? How could you love me like that? Turn around and leave it. I don't want nobody's body line next to my body. Let's set your body line next to mine. I don't want nobody's body line next to my body. Let's set your body line next to mine. Oh, so do right by me, baby. Do right by me, baby. Or don't do it all. Yeah, that's why it's gospel. Down here at the local 5 a.m. I'm hanging with some sweet young things. Feel like I got nothing but time. When it walks a girl, yeah, girl, she used to be mine. When she looks at me, cracks a smile, wipes a tear from my eye. Don't you look at me like that. How could you look at me like that when I know you don't really mean it? Don't you touch me like that.